Hello everyone, welcome back to Project P.G.R. Volume 1, Part 2. Alright, so in Part 2 I'm going to show you a few sketches and a few design layouts I've done that I'm actually going to start marking up in scripting tonight, so I'll be able to show you tomorrow. Alright, so let's go and take a look. So here's where I started. I believe the date is the 7th, a few days ago. Alright, so a pretty simple design, kind of like your average social networking layout to prevent ease of use, and so everyone can get used to it very easily. You know, obviously play videos, pictures, text. This is how the buttons look when they're pushed open, and how the text, how the comments function when you're not logged in and logged in. I'll explain that a little bit later. Alright, this is what happens when you hit the Explore button up top. You just get a look at the traffic, which is essentially the feed, and people, so you can follow, learn more about how they cook and what else they do. Here's the index page. Here's the search logic for people and posts. Alright, so let's take a look at a few better images. Alright, so this is what I have. This is what I created today. So this is basically how it's going to look like when a user is logged in. They'll see their user pick, their notification, their post button, of course the search, the logo, of course, is the temp logo, the codename logo, P.G.R. And you can create your own banner, upload it, resize it. You'll see your username, you'll see when you last logged in. There will be a hashtag system, and you will be able to add website links and anything that we may add on in the future. Now, as I was saying before, like attacking a niche like food and things, I kind of hinted over here that I wanted to broaden eventually. Like, I want people to post about anime and just anything that pops in their head, and that's how I'll expand. The consumers expanded themselves, not like MySpace, where you know, they went too fast. They geared towards music, and ultimately, well, several other things contributed, led to their downfall. All right. Start scripting that tomorrow. This is the loading icon that I've created. So let's see what happens when you start clicking on a few of these links. Alright, so this is what happens when you click on the notification icon. There's nothing here right now. I will add stuff, obviously. Kind of like the similar design to my last social network I created. Settings in the bottom left, log out in the bottom right. When you click on the post button, this will pop up. Of course, they have a see-through background to prevent, show a little style to it. Alright, when you click on the settings for your post, update, hide, delete, obviously delete won't be shown if someone else comes on your page, and obviously if someone's not logged in. So people that aren't logged in will be able to see your posts. I'll work on privacy settings in the near future, soon. Alright, so as I was saying before, in the sketches, when you click explore, you get to see the traffic, basically the posts that people have posted. Now, these are just, I kind of copied and pasted before, because you kind of get the general idea. Just wanted to show you that. When you hit explore, you will see posts. You'll see people. Once you click on people, you'll see trending, scene header information. So, kind of grab some characters offline from the Fighting Food On show they had a few years ago. Now, for people that you aren't following, you'll just see this follow icon. Sorry, this follow button. Click it. It'll say following. Of course, load a little more as you scroll down. Alright, and the search for the both of these is kind of gonna look the same. Once you type in the search, it'll show, instead of saying traffic, it'll say posts and people. It'll see the count here and count here for people and posts. Alright, so basically this is what you're gonna see when you haven't signed up. I'm sorry, yeah, when you haven't signed up. Now clearly this will just be a login button, so the search button will extend here and you'll just see login, you won't see anything else. If you are logged in, you will be able to come back to the home screen. You can see the top users and posts, and you won't see the sign up form, only users that haven't been logged in. Alright, so that's what I have so far. Let me know what you all think in the comments below. Make sure to like this video if you like it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you want to look at the PDFs more closely, I'll post them in the link below. And thank you. I'll see you in part 3. Thank you.